Paper is one of the most widely used materials in the modern world. Yet its production depends on a highly controlled industrial process. Inside a paper mill, large-scale systems operate continuously to transform raw fibers into uniform sheets of paper. The process begins with raw materials such as wood logs and recycled paper. These materials are the primary source of cellulose fibers, which form the structure of paper. Logs are first debarked and chipped into small, uniform pieces. This step ensures consistent fiber size for the next stages of processing. The wood chips then enter the pulping stage. Through mechanical or chemical processes, the fibers are separated from lignin and other impurities, creating a fiber-rich pulp. The pulp is washed and cleaned to remove unwanted particles. This purification step is critical to achieving strength, brightness, and durability in the final paper. Next, the fibers are refined. Refining modifies the fiber surface, improving bonding between fibers and directly influencing paper strength and texture. The refined pulp is mixed with water to form a diluted fiber suspension. This mixture flows onto a moving wire screen in the paper machine. As water drains away, the fibers interlock and begin forming a continuous paper sheet. This is where sheet structure and uniformity are established. The newly formed sheet passes through pressing sections. Mechanical pressure removes additional water and increases fiber bonding. After pressing, the paper enters the drying section. Heated cylinders gradually evaporate remaining moisture while maintaining sheet stability. Moisture control during drying is essential. Uneven drying can affect thickness, strength, and surface quality. Once dry, the paper surface may be treated or coated, depending on the intended application. These treatments improve smoothness, printability, or resistance. The paper is then wound into large rolls. At this stage, sensors continuously monitor thickness, weight, and consistency. Quality control systems inspect the paper for defects such as holes, uneven edges, or surface variations. Any non-conforming material is removed. The finished rolls are cut and trimmed into specific sizes. Precision cutting ensures consistency for commercial and industrial use. Finally, the paper products are packaged and prepared for distribution. Each batch is tracked to ensure quality and traceability. Throughout the entire process, automation, material science, and process control work together to maintain efficiency and reliability. From raw fibers to finished sheets. This is how paper is manufactured in modern industrial facilities.
stable now.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the throughput.